Hello students, welcome to our 11th physics class. This is part 2. This video continue with first lesson nature, physical world and measurement. Today we are going to learn about 1.4 measurement and subtopics. First one, definition of physical quantity. Second one, types of physical quantities. And third one, definition of units and its type. And fourth one, different type of measurement system. When you can measure what you are speaking about and can express it in numbers. You know something about it, but cannot express it in numbers. Your knowledge is of a very small and unsatisfactory kind. Lord Kelvin. So, let's start the introduction of measurement. What is measurement? The comparison of any physical quantity with its standard units is known as measurement. Measurement is the basic of all scientific studies and experimentation. It plays an important role in our daily life. Physics is a quantitative science and physicists always deal with numbers, which are the measurement of physical quantity. Definition of physical quantity. Quantities that can be measured are in terms of which law of physics are described are called physical quantities. For example, length, mass, time, force, energy and etc. Then start with type of physical quantities. Physical quantities are classified into two types. They are fundamental and derived quantities. Fundamental or its another name base quantities are quantities which cannot be expressed in terms of any other physical quantities. These are length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, luminous intensity and amount of substance. Then derived quantities. Quantities that can be expressed in terms of fundamental quantities are called derived quantities. For example, area, volume, velocity, acceleration, force and etc. For example, the square of area is length into breadth. Here length and breadth is measured kilometer or meter. Length and breadth is fundamental quantities and area is derived quantities. Next, what is unit? Units internationally accepted reference standard to measure a physical quantity. When a top up physics we have several physical quantities, so we need reference of a need physical quantities. For example, your mom asked for you go to a shop and buy some rice. Now, how did you convey the shopkeeper how much rice you want? So you need a unit identify the rice. For example, you go to the shopkeeper, you say you want 5 kg rice. Here, its kg is international accepted reference. Everybody would understand. Similarly, we have many units. For example, length, meter and etc. Length is volume of any substance and m is distance, length of the any things and many other units vector, and the number of unit is comparatively lesser than number of physical quantities because represented many physical quantities is same unit. For example, we have physical quantities is W is work done, And another physical quantities is E, capital E, energy, W and E, two different physical quantities, but both of them same unit, joule. Similarly, many physical quantities in terms of combination of exciting unit. For example, we say velocity is of physical quantity, but now velocity is the unit which is used to meter per second. Meter, m is already unit for length and second is time. The unit for velocity is derived from exciting unit. Definition of unit and its type. The process of measurement is basically a process of comparison. You measure a quantity, we always compare it with some reference standard. And for example, when we state that a rope is 10 meter long, it is to say that it is 10 times as long as an object whose length is defined as 1 meter. Such a standard is known as the unit of the quantity. Here 1 meter is the unit of the quantity length. And its scientific definition, an arbitrarily chosen standard of measurement of a quantity which is accepted internationally is called unit of the quantity. The unit in which the fundamental quantities are measured are called fundamental or based units, and the units of measurement of all other physical quantities which can be obtained by a suitable multiplications or divisions of powers of fundamental units are called derived units. Derived units that the origin is the fundamental units. For example, the unit is area, m square. M is fundamental unit and m square is derived units because the area is length into breadth, two side into side. And the unit for volume m cube, and m is fundamental quantity and m cube is derived quantities. These all are derived from basic units. And another example, velocity, density and etc. Now this fundamental plus derived together is known as system of units. So what to be learned here? To measure the quantity, we always compare it with some reference standard. It's major two types. One is fundamental and another one is derived. And fundamental plus derived is together is known as system of units. Different types of measurement systems. A complete set of units which is used to measure all kind of fundamental and derived quantities is called a system of units. Here are the common system of units used in mechanics. The measuring system is three types of system. First one FBS system and second one CGS system. Third one is MKS system. First one FES system is a British engineering system of units which uses foot, pound and second as the three basic units for measuring length, mass and time. And second one is the CGS system is the Gaussian system which uses centimeter, gram and second as the three basic units for measuring length, mass and time. Third one is the MKS system is based on meter, kilogram and second as the three basic units for measuring length, mass and time. And the CGS MKS and SI are metric or decimal system of units, but the FS system is not a metric system. Thank you, students.